Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please click that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So I bought these fake nails from Shopee and it's very cheap. Nabili ko siya for only 35 pesos each. So 70 pesos itong dalawang to. Plus bumili na rin ako ng 3 sheets of jelly glue for 24 pesos and a fake nail debonder for 36 pesos. So all in all, 130 pesos siya lahat. So after ko i-push back ang aking cuticles, I will use the mini file na kasama sa kit para i-roughen up yung natural nails. So while I do that, gusto ko lang mag-update about the giveaway that I hosted last month. Na-receive na ng giveaway winner yung Polygel kit mga last week na October and nagamit na rin niya yung Polygel kit. Here are some clips she sent to me and I'm very happy to see na she made very beautiful nails with the kit and nakaka-excite lang for me to host more giveaways in the future, so stay tuned for that.
Thank you so much. Happy fingers. Love you.
Gagamitin ko muna yung may animal print na nail set for my right hand. And this kit already came with a nail glue, so I can use either the gel glue or this one. And marami pa palang nakatago na fake nails inside the kit, so pwede kang pumili kung anong design ang gusto mo per nail. And now, isa-size ko muna yung sasakto sa aking nails and at the same time, pick the designs I like. I think this is the first time na gagamit ako ng fake nails na meron ng ready-made designs. It was actually suggested that I try these and curious din ako on what will happen if it will stay long, kaya binili ko siya from Shopee. I-adjust ko muna yung mga fake nails more on the cuticle part para sumakto siya sa nails ko using the mini file. And then after that, ididikit na natin siya sa ating nails. And I decided to use the jelly glue first and then try the glue that came in the kit for the other set to see if there's any difference. And merong sizes din yung jelly glue, kaya I will find the right size for each nail para di siya kita if it's too big and para ma-ensure na it's enough to fit in the nail. So I don't know the right way to apply the fake nail, pero ang ginawa ko is first align the cuticle part and then push down the whole nail. Hinold ko muna for around 5 seconds to let the glue stick to the nail, and then here's how it looks on my pinky. So basically yun yung gagawin ko for the rest of the nails. So these are the nails. I won't put top coat kasi I like the matte finish. Pero i-file ko lang yung dulo kasi I want it to be straight kasi meron siyang slight curve. And after that, it's finished. So here's what it looks like. This design really makes me want to try out matte top coat and it honestly feels light kasi yung extensions usually mas makapal than this, so it feels different. And for an update, this set lasted for 3 days before it felt like it was lifting, and I guess it's because of the glue or siguro also because of the things I did with my hands like frequent contact with water. I guess isa rin yung reason kung bakit natatanggal siya bigla. So I really want to try out the glue that came in the kit if it will make the nails last longer, so we'll see. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this short video. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up. Comment down below suggestions on what I should do next. Also follow me on Instagram at @thehappyfingers. And if you're new here, subscribe to my channel, turn on my post notifications, and I'll see you on the next one.